A pre-owned 2016 GMC Yukon XL Denali. 2016 GMC Yukon XL Denali. Luxury, power, and space without compromise. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 104,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Looking for a full-size SUV that blends luxury, power, and space? Check out this 2016 GMC Yukon XL Denali in stunning Quicksilver Metallic. Powered by a 6.2L Ecotec 3V8 producing 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque, it delivers impressive performance for towing, road trips, and everyday driving. Inside, you'll find premium gray leather seating, tri-zone climate control, a high-end audio system, and user-friendly technology throughout the spacious cabin. With under 104,000 miles, less than 10,000 miles per year, this well-maintained SUV is in excellent condition and ready for many more adventures. Fuel economy is rated at approximately 15 miles per gallon city and 22 miles per gallon highway. Plus, a clean Carfax adds extra peace of mind. If you're seeking comfort, capability, and premium Denali styling, this Yukon XL is ready to impress. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.